Hello everyone, welcome to SQL Guide. Today we going to learn copy database SQL Server to another server. How to copy SQL Server database to another server. Sometimes useful to copy a database from one computer to another. Useful for testing, checking consistency, developing software, running report and creating database. There are several ways to copy a database using the copy database wizard, restoring a database using the generate script wizard to publish database. Limitation and restriction. The copy database wizard is not available in the Express edition. The copy database wizard cannot be used to copy or move a database that are a system databases, master, model, MSDB and TempDB are marked for replication, are marked inaccessible, loading, offline, recovering, suspect or in a emergency mode. When using file tables, a database cannot be moved or copied to an earlier version of a SQL server. So, in this session, I am going to discuss using the copy database wizard to copy a database from one server to another server. You can use the copy database wizard to copy or move database between server or to upgrade a SQL Server database to a later version with no server downtime. Let's connect with a SQL Server to show you how to copy a database using the copy database wizard. Connect SQL Server from SQL Server Management Studio. I am going to connect sources instance which is prod underscore A. Connect target instance prod underscore B. You can see I have connected with both SQL Server instance prod underscore A which is sources and prod underscore B which is target instance. You can see the both SQL Server instance SQL Server agent is running status. I am going to move backup underscore for test database to prod underscore B SQL Server instance. You can see backup underscore for test database not available in a prod underscore B instance. So let's start copy a database wizard. You have to click backup underscore for test database, right click on, go to task, go to copy database. You can see copy database wizard opened. Welcome to the copy database wizard. Click next. Sources instance is prod underscore A. I am using window authentication. Click next. Target instance, you have to give prod underscore B. I am using window authentication. Click next. Select the transfer method. How would you like to transfer the data? Two options are mentioned here. Use the detach and attach method. This method is faster but requires the sources database to go offline. Use the SQL management object method. This method is slower but the sources database can remain online. So this is production database. So I am not going to use the detach and attach method because database will go offline. So I am going to use second option, use the SQL management object method and click next. You can see select database, already backup for test database here selected. You have to click in copy. Click next. You can see here sources database name backup for test and target database also name backup for test. You can change if you want different name here, but I am going to put same name. You can see backup for test 1 folder is system underscore db. If you can change here, but I am keeping it default. Status okay. Stop the transfer if database or file with the same name exit at the destination. Drop any database on the destination server if the same name. Then continue the database transfer. I am going to click stop the transfer if a database file same name exists at the destination. Or either you can select drop a database on destination server if the same name database available. Click next. You can see here select server object. Select additional object outside the database that you want to copy. You can see selected related object is login is already selected. If you want select SQL Server agent job, you can select. If you want store procedure from master database, you can select this. SSIS package endpoint user defined error message. I don't want to move all this object. I want to move only login. So now click next. Configure the package. The wizard will be create a integration services package with properties you specify below. So this is the default, keep as the default. Click next. You can schedule it to run in off business hour, or if need immediate, you can run immediately. So I am going to select run immediately. Now click next. Complete the wizard. Now click in finish. It's taking longer. We'll wait for a minute. You can see the copy database wizard completed successfully. Just close it and refresh the instance prod underscore b. Refresh it and expand database section. You can see here backup for test database copied successfully. So this is the very easy method to copy a database from one SQL instance to another SQL Server instance. So thanks for watching SQL Guide. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.